Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. I'm so excited for this video. Before I get stuck into my Christmas crafty videos, I have a few extra videos coming your way in the next week or two. First up is an unboxing. All of the details are going to be in the description box below with your 10% discount code. This is a vinyl unboxing from Teckwrap. Now, if you've been with me a few weeks at least, you'll know that I have started working in affiliate with Teckwrap Vinyl. First out of the box is this pack of vinyl. Now this is heat transfer Christmas sheets. First up I thought, okay, it's going to be green, red, gold, silver, heat transfer sheets. I'm going to be able to make some cool things with that. Then when I opened it, oh my goodness me. I've never seen vinyl like it. You all know I'm very new to the vinyl world. First up, we have this gorgeous stocking gingerbread man, holly and candy cane sheet. It is beautiful. There is not a sheet that I do not like out of all of these. Next up we have the buffalo check or buffalo plaid with snowflakes, another stunner. Honestly, I was not expecting all of these stunning vinyls because I've never seen anything like it. Next up we have the elephants, stockings and hedgehogs. How cute are they? With even cactus and cupcakes on it. I mean, these are so creative. I would love, can you imagine doing this as a full-time job, just creating vinyls? Next up, we have one of my favourites. The colours are beautiful. The Santa's reindeer with candy canes and snowflakes with the blues and reds. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we've got this one, the snowman, Santa hat, baubles, Christmas trees. There's so much going on in these vinyls. I can't even tell you all about it in the space of time that I have. Next up, we have a really eclectic mix of like woolly hats and mittens and gingerbread men and stars and poinsettia flowers, and that's really pretty. Next up, another one of my favorites. We have this whole kind of combo of Christmas presents and gift wrapped presents. Really love it. But this one, my favorite, hands down, my absolute favorite out of the whole entire pack. Look at these stags and deers, whatever you want to call them. Very Christmassy, and they've even got scarves on. This one here, I would call it kind of like a vintage pattern with your poinsettia and your holly and all of your kind of Christmas greenery. Very vintage in my eyes. I don't know. Next up we have Santa. And I don't know if he's holding a baseball bat, but I'm only assuming by that he's visiting London. Do you know what I mean? But I absolutely love this one too. It's super cute. I just did a quick flick through just to double check. There were actually 10 sheets of the heat transfer vinyl in this pack. Next up, we are going to look at the vinyl, and it is gorgeous. Now, when I was speaking with my associate over at Teckwrap Craft, I did say, you know, can you send me some Christmas things? I was not expecting this much, guys. Honestly, there's so much here. First up, we have the red. Now, honestly, I have to admit this. I'd forgotten that the names of the vinyls were actually on the wrappers, so I do talk about the names in a little while. But first up, we have this really gorgeous Christmas red. It's like a glittery textured surface, and it's really beautiful and feels so luxurious. I'm trying to zoom in so you can see the texture in the vinyl. Now, all of these are craft vinyls. These are not heat transfer vinyls. So these will work for your general crafting projects, your wood slices, or, you know, anything, resin, jesmonite, you name it, it will work. So there are a few of the textured. So you've got the red, the green, and this one here is the gold. They're very textured and glittery. The rest that are left in the box are all of the metallic, super metallic-y with almost like a mirror shine finish. First up, we have the green. I didn't open all of them up because I think you can pretty much see from the little snapshot that you get on screen what they look like, but they are stunning. Next up is purple. Now, of course, these are Christmas colours, but of course they could be used all year round, especially the green and purple would be ideal for Halloween. This one is my favourite vinyl out of the craft vinyls that they sent me in this box. This one is stunning. I had to get it completely out to show you guys. This is like a dark olive stroke winter green, and it is absolutely beautiful. I can see this in a resin piece, like a landscape with fir trees, like Christmas pines, cut out on your Cricut or your Silhouette, whatever machine you are using. Absolutely Love that one. Next up is a paler shade of purple, and it was, I think, around about this point I realised the names were on the packets. Honestly, as much as I was looking, if you do have Teckwrap vinyl, you will find the name right by the barcode. So this one here was Iris Purple, we had Lime Green, Glitter Kelly Green, Glitter Champagne Gold, Purple Magic, and this one was Camouflage Olive. The one I really love was Camouflage Olive. The red was also called a Christmas kind of glitter red. But yeah, just in case you want to order them specifically for the colours, I thought I'd just show you those colours on screen quickly after the ones we've looked at. This one here is the orange. It is absolutely beautiful. It's like a burnt orange as well. It's not like a bright in your face orange. It's this gorgeous burnt orange. Next up is the rose. Now, this one is quite Christmassy. I know a lot of people who go for that blush pink and silver Christmas decor. This would work so well. Even though on camera right now it's looking a little bit orange, but I promise you it is a beautiful rose colour. And finally, yeah, last but not least, should I say, is another purple. These are all absolutely beautiful. Now here's the thing, I'm putting this video out tonight because my Teckwrap code can be used for the first week of every month, which is tomorrow. Starting tomorrow for 1 week only, my code can be used, and that will go for the first week of every single month here going forward. So it's not a 365 days a year code, it is the first week of every month only, and that is why I'm putting this video out tonight, because tomorrow is when that code activates and you've got 1 week to get your Christmas vinyls in until the first week of December when my code can be used again. So yeah, I hope you've really enjoyed these. I am in love with some of these patterns and honestly cannot wait to try them. Thank you so much to Teckwrap, and of course guys, the details will be in the description box below, and I appreciate you all massively, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.